Unlock the secret to superior health with the humble blackberry, a fruit that packs a powerful punch. First, it's bursting with antioxidants thanks to high levels of anthocyanins. These compounds are known to combat harmful free radicals in the body. Second, blackberries can contribute to heart health. Their fiber and polyphenols may support cardiovascular well-being. Third, they're a vitamin powerhouse, providing essential nutrients like vitamin C and vitamin K. Fourth, blackberries are rich in dietary fiber, promoting digestive health and helping to prevent constipation. And finally, for those watching their weight, blackberries are a low-calorie, highly nutritious option. So consider adding blackberries to your diet and reap the benefits of this remarkable fruit. Remember, good health is just a blackberry away.